Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning a very important skill for students. How to form research question. A good research question is the start of great essay or thesis. It helps you stay focused. Let's learn how to make one in 4 easy steps. Guys, steps 1. Choose a broad topic. Start with a general idea that you like. For example, you can choose social media or healthy food, but remember, ties topic are too big. You cannot write about everything in one paper. You need to make it smaller. Steps 2. Narrow your topic. Swim quick reading and find a specific group or problem. Instead of all social media, you can choose social media and teenagers. Now your topic is better. Step 3. Ask specific questions. Do not ask questions with a simple yes or no answer. Use words like how or why. For example, how does Instagram affect the sleep of teenagers? This is a clear and good research question. By the way, writing in essay or thesis can be very hard. If you need professional help with your academic writing, you should visit thesisapislection.com. They help students with topics, essay, and research. Go to thesisapislection.com. UK University Assignment Framework, we have the broad topic, or we narrow it down, maybe, and our final question, steps 4, is the check your question with a checklist. It's clear, it's focused. If you answer it yes, then you are ready to write your paper.